guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and Eastern Makeover. So today I'm here again with
guys.
we've got Molotov singing Frijolero. Guys, this was recommended to me by my viewers and we are so excited. So without further ado, let's get started.
Yo ya estoy hasta la madre de que me pongan sombrero. Escucha entonces cuando digo, no me llames frijolero. Y aunque exista algún respeto, no metamos las narices. Nunca inflamos la moneda, haciendo guerra a otros países. Te pagamos con petróleo o intereses nuestra deuda. Mientras tanto no sabemos quién se queda con la feria. Aunque nos hagan la fama de que somos vendedores de la droga que sembramos, ustedes son consumidores.
Don't call me gringo, you dealer. Stay on your side of that goddamn river. Don't call me gringo, you beaner. No me digas beaner, Mr. Hetero. Te sacaré un susto por racista, pero no me llames frijolero. Che gringo, hetero.
Now I wish I had a dime for every single time I've gotten stared down for being in the wrong side of town. In a rich man I'd be if I had that kind of chip. Lately I wanna smack the mouths of these racists. Podrás imaginarte desde afuera ser un mexicano cruzando la frontera, pensando tu familia mientras que pasas, dejando todo lo que tú conoces atrás. Si tuvieras tú que esquivar las balas de unos cuantos gringos rancheros, le seguirás diciendo good for nothing wetback. Si tuvieras tú que empezar de cero, now why don't you look down the way your feet is planted? The U.S. soil that makes it take shit for granted.
I love this performance. Like the guy that started rapping, I love his lines. The way he was just going on and on, it was so incredible. I love the fact that they use cartoon acting. This is kind of a little bit interesting and make it look so fancy. Guys, the performance is so unique. I love the lyrics of the song. It has a lot in it. I'm just enjoying the music of it. Their voice is incredible. Their way of singing is so unique. And the drama they're acting for us is making us understand more about the song.
This is really beautiful, guys. I love the street hustle. I love the group. I love the love listening again. And I feel like they're brothers, guys, going together, doing everything together. And it's not really crossing the border as American. Guys, I love his voice. I love the streetness in it. I love the brotherly love. I love the gangster look is in there. The drama that this film is really lovely. I'm kind of like get the story. Let's keep on watching and see what they have to offer. So we'll to understand more about the music, guys. See how the Let's keep on watching.
If not for Santa Ana, just to let you know that where your feet are planted would be Mexico. Correcto.
Don't call me gringo, you beaner. Stay on your side of that goddamn river. Don't call me gringo, you beaner. No me digas beaner, Mr. Hetero. Te sacaré un susto por racista, pero no me llames frijolero. Che gringo, hetero. Side of that goddamn river, don't call me gringo, you beaner. No me digas beaner, Mr. Hetero. Te sacaré un susto por racista, pero no me llames frijolero. Che gringo, hetero.
Nice animation. Guys, they are really good at singing. voices are really good, and they are pouring out their hearts out in this music. How they feel, they are tired of keeping it in them, and they are pouring it out. I like that about them. When you are able to speak out with the music and tell the world how you feel, that it is really good. How was it possible?
I enjoyed every bit of it. Like if you notice the guys, the color was green, white, and red. Like,
Yeah.
that is Mexico's flag color. They just painted the cartoon with that same color. That is actually pretty
Smart,
cool.
yeah.
Guys, I enjoyed every bit of it. I love the part that just talk about what they are facing and express how they feel about it, what is not going right for them, and what is going wrong. Guys, every bit of this was just amazing. I love the way he sang, I love his voice. It was so beautiful and so nice. One thing I love about Mexico is that no matter what, no matter where they're singing, no matter the song, the instruments are always
Okay.
the instrument is always perfect. Like whenever they play, you just know these are Americans. They don't joke with instrument, and this was good. I love the instruments here. They did a wonderful job. Every bit of this performance was incredible. I just enjoyed the way they just took us along and they played the lyrics in the video. That was awesome, guys. I enjoyed every bit of this performance. It was incredible and the style here was in it. So guys, please let us know think about our reaction in the comment section. If you want to see more of us, please do ensure to like, subscribe, and
And
share
share
this
this
video.
video.
We'll see you in the next one.